Hi, I'm Ambrush. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a stop-motion animation in Adobe Animate. In the end, you will be able to create an animation like this. You will need to have Adobe Animate CC installed on your machine. It doesn't really matter which version you are using, but I highly recommend updating to the latest version. When the program opens, we can specify the video resolution and platform type. I choose Full HD and ActionScript 3.0. If you do not see the windows as I have, you can click on the drop-down menu on the top and select Essentials. To start drawing, we need to click on the Paintbrush tool in the Tools window. Then in the Properties window, you can specify the stroke color, width, smoothing and so on. I pick a nice red and I set the size to around 25. You can press your Ctrl key and scroll with the mouse wheel to zoom out in order to see the whole canvas. Okay, it's perfect. Now I draw a circle. When you are done, you can hit F7 to create a blank keyframe after the current. You can see the new frame appear in the timeline. You can go back to the previous frame by hitting the comma key and forward by hitting the dot key on your keyboard. Also, you can navigate by dragging this red horizontal marker in the timeline. We need to make sure that the animation looks kinematically correct, so the ball accelerates when it goes down and slows down when it goes up. To see the previous frames, we can turn on onion skin and set the transparency distance to see the last 3 frames. To play the video, you can hit Enter or this play button. Now it's time to export the video. Go to File, Export, Video. Here you can choose the directory for exporting the video. The program will export your video in a .mov format. It will be a huge file and even your video player can have a hard time playing it, so you should convert it to an MP4 file. Thank you for your attention. If you are new to my channel, check out my other videos about robotics and cooking. Bye!